Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. For any sushi lover, you will appreciate just how gorgeous and adorable this is. So this is the Maki Tacks. Let me show you how it works and just why I absolutely love it. So these adorable push pins are designed to look like the sushi that has the fish roe on the top. My husband is obsessed with this and was super excited when I purchased it for him. I love the fact that they even go into the detail of having the pin cushion shaped like rice. It is a soft, pliable little piece, so it's easy for the push pins to go in, and then half the fun is putting it together and having it just that unique look like the sushi. It is super adorable. Once you've put it all together, it doesn't even matter if it's not fully organized because it just looks more authentic. The push pins are quite snug in there, so you don't have to worry about them falling out. And then you just go ahead and keep them stored there on your desk until you need to use them. Great gift for anyone that loves sushi and you're not really sure what to get them. This is a full winner. Hands down, absolutely love it. The detail in it and just the quality is beautiful. So I love it. I'm sure you will too, but that's just my point of view.